يا نفس إن لم تظفري لا تجزعي.
Because I'll tell you one thing, Salah is halawa. It has sweetness. And if I give you now a plate or a cup that is filled with dirt, and it's filled with dirt and filth, and then I put some sweet honey inside there. I put some sweet honey inside there, and then I tell you to drink it. Are you going to drink that honey? Are you going to enjoy it? Why won't you enjoy it? Why? Because you won't be able to taste the sweetness of the honey. You probably won't even, because you'll feel the dirt and the filth in the cup, right? Do you agree? That's the same with your heart. The sweetness is the salah. And if your heart is filled with dirt and filth, and you haven't cleaned it before your salah, then you won't be able to taste the sweetness of the salah. So brothers, just focus. Every time you're about to pray, make sure you leave everything that's happening in this dunya behind you and just focus on the salah. So eventually, inshallah, we taste the sweetness of the salah and we get closer to Allah.